Imagine a machine so powerful, so exquisitely crafted, it defies the very definition of a car. A vehicle that doesn't just push boundaries, but obliterates them, leaving a trail of shattered records and dropped jaws in its wake. This extraordinary masterpiece exists, and it is known as the Bugatti Chiron. Welcome back, hypercar fanatics. Today, the exploration dives deep into the legend that is the Bugatti Chiron, a car that represents the pinnacle of automotive engineering, luxury, and sheer unadulterated speed. Prepare to uncover its fascinating history, marvel at its mind-bending performance, explore its unparalleled craftsmanship, and understand why it has become one of the most coveted machines on the planet. This is not merely a car review, it is an exploration of automotive art and science at its absolute finest. A legacy forged in speed and artistry. The story of Bugatti begins over a century ago, in 1909, when Italian-born French visionary Ettore Bugatti established his company in Molsheim, Alsace, France. From the outset, Bugatti was renowned for its commitment to precision engineering and artistic design, quickly earning a reputation for excellence in both race cars and street cars. Ettore himself was known for his artistic background, having initially studied at an art academy before pursuing engineering. This artistic foundation profoundly influenced the brand's early models and continues to shape Bugatti's design philosophy even today, more than a century later, where vehicles are seen as mobile sculptures. The consistent emphasis on artistic design and the brand's motto, art, form, technique, underscores that Bugatti views its vehicles as more than just machines. They are indeed mobile sculptures. Over its distinguished history, Bugatti has seen several ownership transitions. The Bugatti family managed the company until 1952, after which financial difficulties led to its closure. A brief revival occurred under Romano Artioli in the late 1980s, leading to the creation of the EB110, but financial issues again forced closure in 1995. The brand was ultimately acquired by the Volkswagen Group in 1998, marking a new era of innovation. This acquisition provided the necessary capital and engineering prowess evident in early W18 engine concepts, to revive and scale the brand's ambitions, culminating in the production of iconic models like the Veyron and subsequently the Chiron. More recently, in November 2021, Bugatti became part of Bugatti Rimac, a joint venture between Rimac Group and Porsche AG, with Mate Rimac taking the helm as CEO. This progression from family ownership to Volkswagen and then to Bugatti Rimac represents a strategic adaptation to maintain Bugatti's hypercar dominance and prepare for future automotive trends. The recent joint venture with Rimac, a leader in electric hypercars, suggests a forward-looking strategy that aims to ensure Bugatti remains at the cutting edge of performance, even as the automotive world shifts away from pure internal combustion. Did you know Bugatti's founder, Ettore, initially studied at an art academy before pursuing engineering? How do you think this artistic foundation continues to influence Bugatti's design philosophy even today, more than a century later? The Chiron's grand entrance. Unveiled on February 29, 2016, at the Geneva Motor Show, the Bugatti Chiron was introduced as the successor to the legendary Veyron, a car that had already set new benchmarks for speed and luxury. The Chiron was designed not just to follow, but to significantly push the boundaries further, becoming a profound statement of ambition and innovation. Before the production Chiron, Volkswagen commissioned several concept cars, including the EB118, EB218, and the 18/3 Chiron, all featuring an 18-cylinder W configuration engine. The name Chiron itself is a tribute to the legendary Monegasque racing driver Louis Chiron, linking the car to Bugatti's rich motorsport heritage. At the heart of the Chiron's aesthetics is Bugatti's unwavering design philosophy. Form follows performance. Achim Anscheit, Bugatti's design director, emphasizes that every line and curve serves a functional purpose, optimizing aerodynamics and cooling while maintaining an elegant, timeless appearance. The iconic C-shaped sideline, for instance, is not just a visual signature. It is a carefully engineered feature that directs airflow to the massive engine intakes, demonstrating how the beauty of a Bugatti is inherently tied to its engineering efficiency. This approach means that design constraints imposed by extreme performance lead to innovative and beautiful solutions. Bugatti also leverages virtual design, developing 90% of stylistic ideas digitally. This adoption of virtual design is a significant technological advancement in the design process, enabling greater precision and efficiency in crafting such complex vehicles. It allows designers to quickly alter models and save considerable time, leading to enhanced precision and beauty in the final product. Engineering marvels. At the very core of the Bugatti Chiron's mind-boggling performance lies its quad-turbocharged 8.0-liter W16 engine. This engineering marvel generates an astonishing 1,479 horsepower, 1,103 kilowatts, 1,500 PS, in the standard Chiron, Chiron Sport, Pure Sport, and Noir variants. An even more incredible 1,578 horsepower, 1,177 kilowatts, 1,600 PS, is produced in the Chiron Supersport 300 Plus and Super Sport models. This colossal power plant delivers 1,600 Newton-meters, 1,180 pound-feet of torque, available across a broad range from 2,000 to 6,000 RPM. This unique W configuration engine, first seen in early Bugatti concepts, is a testament to the Volkswagen Group's engineering prowess. The sheer power of this W16 engine creates extreme engineering challenges, such as heat management and power transmission, which in turn necessitate groundbreaking solutions. The Chiron rockets from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, 0 to 62 miles per hour, in a blistering 2.4 seconds. Its top speed is electronically limited to 420 kilometers per hour, 260 miles per hour, for safety reasons. However, with the special speed key, the car is poised to go beyond the electronically limited 380 kilometers per hour, all the way to its full potential. The Chiron Supersport 300 Plus famously broke the 300 miles per hour barrier in 2019, achieving a TÜV-certified speed record of 304.773 miles per hour, 490.484 kilometers per hour, making it the first production vehicle to do so. This electronic speed limiter and the speed key are not merely features, but critical safety measures and a testament to the car's raw, untamed potential. The fact that the car's standard top speed is limited implies an even greater inherent capability, with the speed key serving as a symbolic unlock for extreme performance under controlled conditions. This highlights Bugatti's dual commitment to pushing performance limits and ensuring safety and control. Acknowledging the inherent dangers of such speeds, managing such immense power requires equally advanced systems. The Chiron features an intricate cooling system with no less than 10 radiators to prevent overheating, a direct consequence of the enormous heat generated by the 1,500-plus horsepower engine. Power is delivered to all four wheels via a sophisticated 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, manufactured by Ricardo. This transmission was specifically designed to handle over 1,500 horsepower and 1,600 newton-meters of torque, while remaining weight-neutral compared to its Veyron predecessor, showcasing continuous material science and engineering innovation, driven by the extreme demands of the W16. Intelligent aerodynamics, including a jet-like active rear wing that adjusts for downforce and braking, ensure stability and performance at extreme speeds. Also that beyond speed, craftsmanship and innovation. The Chiron's incredible performance and safety are built upon extensive use of advanced, lightweight materials. Its foundation is a carbon fiber monocoque chassis, providing exceptional rigidity and strength while keeping weight to a minimum. The body panels are also made entirely from carbon fiber. Even the windshield wipers are made of carbon, and the exhaust system is a lightweight titanium, further reducing back pressure and maximizing engine power. The hand-built nature of the Chiron is not merely a manufacturing choice, but a fundamental aspect of Bugatti's brand identity, elevating the car to a level of bespoke artistry that mass-produced vehicles cannot achieve. Unlike conventional production lines, Bugatti's atelier in Molsheim operates more like a Formula One team's workshop. There are no conveyor belts or robots. Instead, 20 highly skilled employees meticulously hand-assemble each Chiron at 12 individual stations. The entire process, from the start of production to delivery, can take around 6 months, with the full configuration to delivery timeline averaging 9 months. Over 1,000 Ahorn bolted joints hold the car together, including 14 titanium bolts connecting the monocoque to the rear end for weight savings. This deliberate choice to rely on skilled personnel and hand assembly is a direct cause for the car's exclusivity, high price, and the ability to offer extensive customization. Before delivery, each Chiron undergoes an incredibly rigorous testing regime. This meticulous and extensive testing protocol is a direct consequence of the Chiron's unparalleled performance capabilities and its multi-million-dollar value, highlighting Bugatti's commitment to flawless delivery. The testing includes a 350 kilometers 217-mile test drive, primarily assessing independent driving modes and internal noise, even down to the creaking sound of leather seats during turns. This is followed by a high-speed run on an airport runway, accelerating to 300 kilometers per hour, 186 miles per hour, to unleash its maximum power. For protection, the car is covered in a transparent protective film during testing to prevent scratches. Intensive water testing ensures no leaks, and final cosmetic checks can take weeks to ensure every component meets Bugatti's uncompromising standards. This level of detail demonstrates that Bugatti's quality assurance goes far beyond basic functionality, aiming for absolute perfection in every aspect, reflecting the car's status as a luxury investment and a symbol of prestige. The complexity of the Chiron's design is so profound that it even inspired a life-size, drivable Lego Technic model. This 1-to-1 scale replica, made from over 1 million Lego Technic elements and powered by 2,304 motors, perfectly recreated the Chiron's iconic shapes, demonstrating the intricate fabric of its design. Exclusivity, customization, and market impact. The Bugatti Chiron's production was strictly limited to 500 units, a strategy that fueled its exclusivity, desirability, and high resale value. Demand was immense, with all slots, including the final L'Ultime model, quickly assigned, signifying the end of the W16 engine's run in this configuration. Owning a Chiron is a statement of extreme privilege, reflected in its starting price of €2.4 million and the record-breaking €9.79 million auction sale of the one-off Chiron Profile, demonstrating how scarcity drives investment value. Bugatti's marketing targets price-insensitive, high-net-worth individuals through exclusivity and personalization, shunning traditional advertising for word-of-mouth, private events, and digital storytelling, e.g. Instagram. This approach creates unpaid ambassadors and aspirational appeal among car enthusiasts. The Sur Mesure program offers extensive customization, enabling buyers to personalize every detail. A notable example is the Golden Era Chiron, featuring hand-drawn sketches directly on the bodywork, showcasing Bugatti's commitment to personalized automotive art and an emotional ownership journey. The Chiron's enduring legacy. The Bugatti Chiron, succeeding the Veyron, became an automotive icon, redefining speed, performance, luxury, and engineering. The Supersport 300 Plus notably broke the 300-mile-per-hour barrier, solidifying its place as the fastest production car. This achievement, culminating in the L'Ultime model, marks the grand finale of Bugatti's W16 internal combustion hypercar era. As Bugatti transitions under the Bugatti Rimac joint venture, the Chiron serves as a pivotal bridge to a new era, signaling a shift towards electrification and alternative power sources. This strategic move underscores Bugatti's commitment to innovation and pioneering hypersports car history, while maintaining its distinctive aesthetic and craftsmanship. Conclusion. From its artistic origins to its record-shattering performance and bespoke craftsmanship, the Bugatti Chiron is truly a hypercar without equal. It is a testament to human ingenuity, pushing the boundaries of what is possible on four wheels and leaving an indelible mark on automotive history. What was your favorite aspect of the Bugatti Chiron? Was it the sheer power, the exquisite design, or the incredible exclusivity? Let us know in the comments below. If you were captivated by the Chiron's story, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more deep dives into the world's most incredible machines, and hit that notification bell so you do not miss the next adventure. And speaking of next adventures, what other automotive legends would you like to explore? Perhaps another record breaker, or a hidden gem from the world of luxury vehicles? Stay tuned, because the journey into automotive excellence is far from over.